test drive 2021 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.